in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to rename your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back to settings. Go ahead and select that. And then up at the top right, you can select the rename button underneath the home tab. And then type in whatever name you want. I don't believe you can start with numbers, for example. It has to be letters or some other form of character. Select next, and that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.